In this class, we are looking at inverse variation. Inverse variation now. And inverse variation is opposite of direct variation. What is inverse variation? It's a relationship between two quantities, such that as one is increasing, the other one is decreasing. If one of the quantity increase, the other one will reduce. If one of the quantity reduce, the other one will decrease. It's a relationship between two quantities. So that's what referred to as an inverse variation, and it's represented with this symbol 1 over the other element. Like this example now, it's if t varies inversely with x. If t varies inversely with x, anytime you see 1 over the other quantity, that's an example of inverse variation. So this is t varies inversely with x. So in that case, now we want to solve this question. We have t varies inversely with x. I will still remove this proportionality symbol. I will introduce a constant. So in that case, I will have t is equal to k over s. Now, when and t is equal to 2 when s is what? 60. So this first one is to first get the value of my constant. T is 2, so you have 2 here. It's equal to k and s is 60. This over 1, I will cross multiply. K times 1 is k. It will be equal to 2 times 60. So k times 1 is k, 2 times 60, you have k is equal to 120. Substitute the value of k is equal to 120 in this place now to get relationship between the two of them. So you have t is equal to k over x, and my k is 120. So I will have t is equal to 120 over x. So this is the relationship now. This is relationship between t and x. Relationship between t and s. Then the second part of the question, that is A, you say find the value of t when s is 90. So you start from here now. You don't go back to the beginning again. You must start from the relationship now. So from this relationship now, you have b, you have t is equal to 120 over x. So I'm looking for t now when s is 90. So substitute the value of s is 90 in this equation. You have t is equal to 120 over 90. So my t, this and this can cancel now. So you have 3, that's 4 over 3, or 1 whole number, 1 over 3. Also, the c part, I should find the value of s when t is 2.5. Also, I don't need to come back to this beginning again. I will start from this relationship. So if I write this relationship, I have t is equal to 120 over x now. Then I'm looking for s. T is 2.5. So I will have 1 over 2 here is equal to 120 over x. Take this one to mixed number now. That will be 5 over 2 is equal to 120 over x. Cross multiply. This will times this. So I will have 5x is equal to 2 times 120. Then you have 5x is equal to 240. Divide both sides by 5 to get your x. So you have x is equal to 240 over 5. S should now be equal to 240 divided by 5. So that will give me s is equal to 48. So this is an example of inverse variation. So we may look at word problem on inverse variation in the next class. But this is an example of inverse variation.